Learning English can sometimes be very puzzling if we don't understand the fact that what letters or words look like may not always what they sound like. That is why we have phonics, and today's video looks at the short vowel sounds for the vowel A. Let's look at a couple of words that contain the short vowel sound of A. Sounds like eh. Let's get going. Act, act. Ask, ask. Bat, bat. Bag, bag. Cat, cat. Cap, cap. Dad, dad. Dance, dance. Fan, fan. Fat, fat. Well, that's a fat cat. Gap, gap. Gas, gas. Ham, ham. Hat, hat. Jab, jab. That looks painful. Jam, jam. Lab, lab. Lad, lad. Man, man. Mat, mat. Nab, he was nabbed by the police. Nab, nap, nap. Pan, pan. Pal, pal. Rat, rag. Sorry, rag. Rat, rat. Sad, sad. Sag, sag. Tap, tag, tag. Tap, tap. Van, van. Vat, vat. Yam, yam. Zap, zap. Thank you very much. Next time will be the long vowel sound for long A. Have a nice day.